to 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 digest the Srimad Bhagavatam is not easy. Then you will have Kam. If you listen Ras Lila, then if you have Kam, if you have the desire of Kam, but so they are saying that, but you listen. If Shraddha, you listen. He said, yes, Vyasdev told Sukadev, go get this certificate. What certificate? You know? Where will you get the certificate to see that you are qualified to listen to this Ras Leela Katha? Janak Maharaj, go to Janak Maharaj. Yes, Janak Maharaj. Sita Devi's father, Janak Maharaj. You have to go to Janak Maharaj to get this certificate. Sri Janak. Sita's father is Sri Maithili. Actually, his father's name was Maithili. Sri Janak Maharaj. Sita's father's name was Sri Janak. So his name is coming from Parampara. Like Sharma, then the Sharma, you know the surname Sharma keeps on going, runs in family. So Vedic, it's Janak. And his wife, Sunena. So, the wife's name was Sunena. Janak Maharaj's wife was Sunena. This Katha, this was in Dwapar Yuga. Leela is continuing in any Brahman. We are not saying Puran Katha, but it's even this Katha is going on in Nitya Dham. So he said, then Janak Maharaj had a big assembly. There was an assembly. All the rishis and munis were sitting there in the. If they see something, that when does there is a change in your heart? When you have this abhiman of I am the moon, I am the woman, I am the man, and then when the man looks at the woman's beauty, or the woman looks at the beauty of a man, then there is vikar, there is this attraction. So in this sabha, in this assembly, there was many great personalities were sitting there. Vidwan, you know, who think of them controlled. They had these people who had controlled their senses were sitting there in the assembly, like great rishis and maharishis who have controlled after doing so much hard austerities. They had control over their senses. So in that sabha, in that assembly, the Sridhar Janak was there. Was also present in that assembly. The Janak Maharaj. And then Sukadev also went in that assembly. And then after some, his wife, after a while, his wife, Janak Maharaj's wife, like, she had, she came in that assembly. All the rishis, they looked down. That if the rishis looked down, that they were so scared that if we look at her, then maybe we will have some vikar, vikar, attraction to her. But Sukadev Goswami, he opened his eyes. He didn't even look down or anything. He sat. He didn't close his eyes. With his eyes open, he was just sitting as he was. Nothing manifested in his heart. No vikar. How will you know that there is vikar in your heart? You can tell from his eyes. You can see it from that person's eyes. That he was Sukadev Goswami Pad. He just said so that no vikar. He had no vikar. Then after the end of the sabha, after the end of the meeting, then you don't have any, you are completely brahmachari. You don't have any vikar in your heart. So he came back. Then Sukadev Goswami came back. Then Vyasdev spoke this Raslila Katha. This Raslila Katha is so serious, so gambhir. The another who is not qualified, then he will, then he'll have kama vasna, means he'll have desire for kam. It's not easy to digest. Then it's like you will compare it with this woman in this world and a man who in this world who are having affairs, like whatever kam, kam. Even like he said, Gita Govinda, we couldn't even read Gita Govinda. I read, there's not original books, they are really. Mahaprabhu said, even Mahaprabhu said, to Rai Ramananda, Chaitanya Charitamrita says, that Rai, this katha, to listen to this katha is very high. In the Stota speakers. Then how should you listen to this Raslila Katha? Here there is one word is saying that Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad is saying Shraddha Nito. You have to listen with Shraddha. What is this Shraddha? Who is doing this Raslila? Swayam Bhagwan Brajendra Nanda Swam Shama Sundar is doing this katha. There is no difference between the avatar of Krishna and Krishna's avatar, but still you have to listen. It's about Brajendra Krishna, Sham Sundar. It's not even Ayodhyapati is Ramchandra. Even it's not Dwakadish Krishna. Even Mathuradish Krishna. But it is Brajendra Nandana Swam Sundar. He is a Lalit Nayak. And who is Krishna? Dhir Lalik Krishna. Dhir Lalik Nayak. That's why you should have faith. You should have faith. If you don't have faith, then it becomes nama aprad. Then if you have this aprad, then the calm, then you get trapped in this material world with all your senses and calm. So that's why you have to have complete faith not Sadhana. Brajendra Sama Swayam Bhagwan. Swayam Bhagwan. Krishna. Swayam means एक ही chance kala. Krishna tu Bhagwan. So it's Swayam Bhagwan. So the word is used is Swayam Bhagwan. That you should listen. Vikritam. Sad, he's having this prem with the Braja Striya, Braja ladies, with the ladies of the Braj. It's not Kumari. Vadhu, Vadhu, Viva, Vadhu, Vadhu. Vadhu means married, not the single, not the unmarried girls. Wow, Vadhu means married. So if it's a Kumari means unmarried girl, then you don't use that word Vadhu, Vavu. Then when she gets married, then the word you used Vavu. Vadhu. Paravadhu means somebody else's wife. This time Vishnu, the Vishnu that is residing, Vishnu is who is the one who is residing in everyone's heart. He sits as Kan in every atom, he is there. Vishnu is in every jiva's atom. So when he is doing Ras Leela, Tej, like how Krishna is dancing with each and every gopi. And every gopi is thinking that Krishna is dancing only with me. That's why we use the word Vishnu. Why? Not the Vishnu that's from a Vaikuntha Dwara, not from the Vaikuntha Lord Vishnu. That they're using this Vishnu because it's so quickly, fast, he is moving and he's with each and gopi kala, the dancing. He's dancing with every gopi. There's thousands of 3 crore gopis, 300 crore gopis were there. That how quickly that Krishna is dancing with each and every one. And then every gopi is thinking, every gopi is thinking that Krishna is only dancing with me. The Aswarya, the Krishna, like some said that he might have, so you can say that he manifested like Krishna manifested in many forms. Like one yogi can have so many, same roop, 50, he can be like 50 roop. Like Sobari Rishis, he had 50 rupees. So Bhagwan is a Yogeshwar, is above even, he's a Shwar of a yogis. The Sobari Rishi, he had Viva 50. He did group of 50. When he's from the Mool, right. So what if the main group is doing the other 50 do the same thing. So the other 50s, if you open your eyes in the other chaya, like the 50s, the 50 also would open the eyes, same thing. So even Bhagwan had a Hajaru Roop, and every roop is doing different dance, different. So it is, so with some gopis he's holding his hand. So alag. So with some group, one Krishna, but with some gopis he's putting ankle belts on them, and some gopis he's putting this red on their feet. So it's not a Vishnu of Vaikuntha. That he's got many roops. He expands in many. many of himself.
इस कथा को कैसे न श्रद्धा में तो
So
अनुसंधान
you have to listen to this katha with atanta, very one-pointed shraddha, and listen to this katha.
कोई भी कहते हैं कृष्ण कामुक है,
Krishna is.
कृष्ण ऐसे दुराचारी है,
Some people say Krishna is calm, but he's such a durchar. Like how that he's dancing with other's wife. There was Arya Samadhi.
जो उस समय उसने जो है बोला था, बुरी ने धुलवाया था सब, बाद में वो जो उसको हटाया वहाँ से।
याद है हमारी माता जी वो तो सब एक बात करके कहाँ चले गए और शरीर ही छोड़ दिया। अरे हमारे जो डॉक्टर जी है, दांत के डॉक्टर,
Our doctor, dentist, our doctor, the dentist doctor, Yamuna Devi.
मैं तो हर महीने जाते चांदा देने के लिए और डॉक्टर के पास जाते, और डॉक्टर भी ऐसे दुष्ट था,
The doctor was this.
वो दुष्ट था। आज वो मीठा मीठा बात करके फिर घुमा फिरा करके कृष्ण के निकला करके, वो भी आते समाज के।
Even that Arya Samaj is talking about this dentist who would doctor all the bhakta who used to go, he would do serve them free, but because he had this association, even when I went with him, he would sit, make me sit, and he would talk when he was there. Yes, he would talk about this Ras Leela Katha. It was
है तो एक प्रेमिक भी है और दूसरे के पास में सोचते हैं वो सुनना चाहते हैं। वो सब हम प्रकार की
श्रद्धा आई उसकी और बोले सेवा भी किया,
सेवा करते हैं। ये वर्ग श्रद्धा में तो शब्द के द्वारा हमारी विश्वनाथ चक्रवर्ती बात है।
Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur is saying that you have to be careful that there is no nam aparad with full faith.
सर्वलीला चूड़ामणि रासलीला की श्रवण कितना भी फल प्रसिद्ध फल श्रेष्ठ विकृतम, इसके द्वारा वर्णन करते हैं चौशब्द आदि के द्वारा। श्री विश्वनाथ चक्रवर्ती काल रास क्रीड़ा की एक विशेष महत्व की
The speciality of listening about Ras Leela is
और स्वयं भगवान कृष्ण
this Bhagwan Swayam Krishna, how
ना वो ब्रजगोपियों के साथ कैसे क्रीड़ा
we played, how we did the prem, like how we did this Ras Leela.
एक के साथ
Like sometimes he was dancing with one gopi, sometimes with two gopis.
और यह बात वो सबसे निश्चित रूप में कहते हैं, तो श्रद्धान्वितो अनुसुंदा, अनु माने निरंतर, अथवा अनु शब्द के अर्थ होता है
The meaning of the Anu, you have to listen to this katha from the Gurudev's mouth, from Gurudev's lotus mouth. If you don't listen from Gurudev's mouth, then you start reading just by yourself, then you will have Anusana. So you have to listen from the Guru. So, now you have to again and again, you have to listen from your Guru again and again. It's like medicine. You know, if you just take medicine just once, then your disease won't be cured. But you have to take it on a regular basis. So if you get corona, if you've got corona, so you have to take corona every day. You think, oh, if you take medicine just once, then you'll be cured. No, you have to take this medicine again and again, like on the regular basis. So if you listen to the katha just once, that's not enough. You have to listen to it again and again. Anu means anugat in the shelter under the shelter of a guru. You should shravan, you should listen to this katha. निश्चित रूप में the calm you have in your heart will be destroyed. So if you take something with Shraddha, if you listen with Shraddha, then you will, if you accept this with Shraddha, then you will benefit. You have to listen with Shraddha.
इसलिए कहता है श्रद्धान्वित तो अनुसरणा बढ़ने लगो और इसके बाद श्रवण के बाद
Shravan Bhat, after listening, after hearing the Katha, you have to remember.
बढ़ने लग जाओ भक्ति परान भगवती देखो पराभक्ति अर्थात सर्वोत्कृष्ट भक्ति तो है भक्ति जितने प्रकार की भक्ति के बारे में
Whatever the Gyan Mishra, all these different types of bhakti, they've said Gyan Mishra, Arup Bhakti. All our acharyas have spoken about so many different types of bhakti. There are 81 types of bhakti, Sakam Bhakti, Nisham Bhakti. 81 types of bhakti. Tamaguna Bhakti, Rajaguna Bhakti. There's many different types of bhakti, and the Shastras have spoken about this. So that our Acharya so it's also like 81 types of bhakti. Which is the topmost is Swarup Siddha Bhakti. Arup Siddha Bhakti, Sangha Siddha Bhakti, Swarup Siddha Bhakti. What is Arup Siddha Bhakti? It's not really pure bhakti. You have Arup, you are you have a faith of in Guru. Like Gurudev said, you Vigraha Gopal, he's Sachidananda Gopal. But you don't have that faith. But Arup means because what Guru has told you that you're Krishna, then you are doing worshipping Krishna. Sangha Siddha Bhakti is by associating with a Sant Mahatma, the qualities you get from association of a Sant Mahatma, Satta, the compassion, Daya, there is 26 Vaishnavas qualities. By having Sanghas, that will take you, that will progress you in the bhakti. Sanghe Sante Siddhena. Our Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur is saying Swarup Siddha Bhakti. When you do bhajan and sadha, when your heart is purified, from Shraddha to Ashakti, when he comes to the stage of Ashakti, from Shraddha, then automatically that Jiva will have he will realize his Swarup. Then realizing his Anubhav means realizing his Swarup, that then he will, there's also, then you will be serving your Istadev, that is called Swarup Siddha Bhakti. So that is called Swarup Siddha Bhakti, because transcendental body, the Swarup of the Atma, you are looking at this body, these eyes, taste, so even this Atma has also this Swarup. So you're doing the ras, you're doing seva. If you are Madhurya ras, then if you are Madhurya ras, then you will have, then your Atma will have the transcendental form of a lady. In a Jaiva Dharma, it's mentioned Vastu Siddhi. So first it is Swarup Siddhi. First you get Swarup Siddhi. You get Swarup Siddhi Gyan, knowledge. Then it's Vastu Siddhi. So when he's asking, when does the Vastu Siddhi? First, the Anartha Nivriti. Okay, first is Anartha Nivriti. When you are doing bhajan, then first is process of Anartha Nivriti. Then it's called Bhav Siddha, Bhav Siddhi.
भाव सिद्धि के बाद होता है
After
मंत्र
Bhav
सिद्धि,
Siddhi,
भाव
Mantra
सिद्धि,
Siddhi,
तंत्र सिद्धि के बारे में हमें
there
कुछ
was
पता
the
नहीं
Siddhis.
है।
After Mantra Siddhi,
भाव सिद्धि का के बाद
at
जो है
Bhav
स्वरूप के
Siddhi,
पूर्व होता है
after
स्वरूप
Bhav
सिद्धि।
Siddhi, you have Swarup Siddhi. Then you have
स्वरूप सिद्धि के बाद
realization of your
धीरे-धीरे
Swarup.
वो अनुभव कर लेते हैं।
After Swarup Siddhi, you have Anubhav. You have realization. When you leave this body, then you go to Prakat Leela. Then you take birth in the womb of a gopi. And then Nitya Siddha, you have to take this. You have to take association of a Nitya Siddha's gopis. And then you have Anurag to Krishna. And then Krishna ends the Leela. Then you are Parikar.
वस्तु सिद्धि
Then
जाऊंगी,
Nitya
जहाँ
Siddhi.
ब्रह्मांड में लीला चल रही होगी,
वहीं पर आके
होगा, कथाएं उसकी शुरू होगी, वहाँ पे जो
सब जितने भी उसके सब हो जाते हैं फिर अच्छा हाँ जिस करे जो पराभक्ति के बारे में हम जो आलोचना
This
कर
is
रहे हैं
Parabhakti.
है,
They are
जो भक्ति
speaking
के बारे
about.
में हमारे कृष्ण के रूप में गोस्वामी पाद भक्ति
That's how
की
Goswami
जो
Pad is said.
सर्वोत्तम जो डेफिनेशन दिया
The definition, Anna Vilasa Sunya Gala.
आनुकूलेन कृष्णानुशीलम भक्तिरुत्तम उत्तमा भक्ति की जो है सर्वोत्तम क्या है उसकी बताएं।
So he's saying what is the Uttama Bhakti, the topmost pure Bhakti. And then if you are Madhurya Ras,
उनके शरीर भी उसी
then the Madhurya, according to the Madhurya Ras, then the body would be that Ite Dekhite, that I forget.
ब्रजपुर स्वभाव ब्रजपति भाव वही भी स्वभाव अनुभावना विश्वानुपुरे जन्म ललिव देखो कैसे
It's this song by Bhakti Vinod Thakur. It says, when before my very sight will my bodily self-conception disappear, then with my own eyes I shall behold the exquisite beauty of Raj, full of eternal spiritualized. This Bhakti Vinod Thakur is said in Kirtan, he is saying that when will I get this spiritual body? Jamuna Puline Puline, Jamuna Puline. That I Bansipari.
उसी कीर्तन में लास्ट में कहा है गृह ना जाइब वने प्रवेशिब ओली का सजपुरलाल भजब भजब ब्रजराज विनोद विनोदी
So Yamuna Pulini, oh Sakhi, Kadamba Yamuna Pulini, Kadamba Kanana, Ke Hari no Sakhi. Oh Sakhi, what have I seen today in a Kadamba grove on the banks of Yamuna? A beautiful black flute player, seated upon a jeweled platform, is performing his pastimes as the king of rasa. So when you are doing this sadhan bhajan, when a sadha sees ye tam sundari Dika palte gabe agna seva samarpibe seva samarpibe agna seva samarpibe. The translation is, when will the beautiful Lalita, upon making me a Palya Dasi, place me at the lotus feet of Sri Radha and give me seva under her direction. These are very beautiful bhajans. This is the bhav, this is the mood. When sadhak is staying here in this world, when he goes to, before, there is a training before he goes to Vastu Siddha. Like there is trainer. Like Sena, army men will go on the youth, in the youth to fight. Before that, he will get training. He will get training. And NCC training. That how we should lift, how we should poke, and how we should use the gun. And we have to do it. When I was in college, NCC. In Bengal, I had to do this training. Army cleared. It's national training. For some national training, you have to. They used to even teach us how to left. First, you have to learn how to walk, like how you should be holding the gun and walk. Yeah, you 10 kilos on each side of the shoulder. And then say, walk now. Even I still have a mark here. It's like even when you go in the field, you have to get complete training before you go on field. Then how will you be able to fight with the enemy? Our bhakti, it's not pakora manjali. Manjalis are not just like that. Chalo, our Gurudev. Pakora manjali. Nah. Okay. That it is good that our Gurudev at least know that you've heard that you know that you are speaking that your Gurudev is Ramana Manjari, but what Manjari are you first? Come and realize that. Which Manjari are you? Our Narottam Das Thakur said Ramana Manjari. Lokanath Goswami, Rati Manjulani, Lokanath Goswami is Manjulani. So Narottam is saying, Narottam is Anuvilas Manjari. Narottam Das Thakur is, his Siddha Parichar is Anus Vilas Manjari, Anus Vilas. Once she knows her Swarup, then she can recognize Guru's Swarup. First you have to, your Swarup is sitting there. But first you have to get, first you have got anathas that sit in your heart. You have to clear all the anathas. First, Sant Mahatma, serve your Sant Mahatma, serve the sadhus, and then serve the Sant Mahatmas. Then you will realize your Swarup. So it's like a small child says, "Oh, what is it like to have a baby?" So then the mother will say, "No." So then the small baby is not holding the bacha. Even the mother's got a bacha. Even the mother, the child is also got a doll. No. Then the mother says, "No, you have to get older and give birth yourself. Then